thing first. It's open. Okay, my mom opened it. Eee, what is this? Yeah, it's sticky. If you're new here, I'm Kanchi Sharma and I'll be really happy if you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment down below and hit the notification bell. And if you haven't watched my previous videos, they're all going to be linked below, so go check those out if you still haven't. And today's video is a really fun video. It's going to be again a food video. It's going to be similar to my fries video but not exactly the same. So, as you must have already read by the title, I'm going to be tasting snacks and the thing is, the challenge is that it's going to be blindfolded. So, I have to guess what I'm going to eat. So, for this video, I needed someone's help. I needed someone to give me the snacks because if I would go myself and buy the snacks, I would know what it is. So I asked Ria. Y'all obviously know Ria. Ria is a very close friend of mine, and if you haven't seen her on my channel, then watch my Natti 2 vlog. She's in that video. It'll be over here somewhere. So go watch that one. And Ria sent me a bag full of snacks and I don't know anything what's inside this. I haven't even opened it. She's stapled the bag so I can't see what's inside it. And she has also filmed a video. She has filmed a short video. She said you have to add this in the video and I haven't seen it. I haven't opened it. She told me you can't open it. So now without wasting time, I'm going to add that video. You all will be watching Ria what she has to say. I have no clue what she has to say. So go say hi to Ria. Bye.
Hi you guys, I'm Ria and today for Kanchi's YouTube, she must have already told you, but today for her YouTube, I have made her a hamper of goodies for her to try blindfolded. So she actually gave me the liberty to put anything I want, but I'm nice and I made a very nice hamper that she will like for sure. So I'm going to show you the bag of stuff. I've purposely kept it in the transparent bag for now so you all can see what's inside, so you all can know before Kanchi knows. But I'm gonna go pack this hamper now and we fast it to her so she can shoot. But yeah, I'm very excited for her to try everything. Few things I know she'll get very easily. Few things I've tried to put thoda hard, so she's thoda confused at least. And yes, that's it. Have fun watching her try food because I love watching her eat. It's very entertaining. She makes all sorts of faces, so you'll also enjoy. Bye.
So now we're going to start and someone will, my mom or someone will just put the item over here so that I don't have to see it. And guys, I'm making good use of the mask. I'm going to wear it as my blindfold thing. I can't see anything. So now I'm going to wear my mask like this and taste one thing. So we're going to begin now. Woohoo! I know I look weird but I can't even see. I don't even know where my camera is, but guys, so now we are starting. My mom will just put the thing over here and then I'll taste it. Is it? Okay. Two things are there. Oh, I can smell it. Should I think I'm going to go for the small thing first. It's open. Okay, my mom opened it. Eee, what is this? Yeah. It's sticky. What is this? Should I break it? It's like gum. Ow! It's a candy. Is it sapang? I think it's sapang, but I'm guessing sapang. It's nice. I think it's lemon. I don't know if I'm right. But it's that sap. Oh, yeah, it is that only. It's sapang, but I don't know the flavor. I'm guessing lemon. Next. This seems like wafers only. But which ones? It's not Lay's type because that you come to know from the texture. Cornitos. I think it's the cheese one. Cheese ones. Let's see. Cornitos was right, guys, but it's the jalapeno one and not the cheese one, but tasted like this. And this is, oh, this is that circle thing, guys. I don't know how to say the name. Zazzy. I thought it's sapang. Sapang tastes the same. If you all know what I'm talking about, you'll know. But wow, good choice, Riya. Very nice. I'm gonna keep this like this and inside that. Ooh, this was fun. What is this flavor? 4 flavors. How can I guess 4 flavors, Riya? Could have been a little. But no, I think I had the yellow one, so I tasted lemon. Nice. This was right and this was right. Good fun, guys. Now round 2. Let's go. I think the first one was like halfway right and halfway wrong because I guessed it but just didn't get the flavor. Eee! It's a drink. Oh my god, is it my favorite drink? Because I told her that I love that. And what is this? Eee! Is it gems? Looks like that. No. It's not gems. Guys, after this video, I'm going to get a sugar rush. It's not gems. Is it Skittles? Yes. I think it's Skittles. Can't be M&M because it's not that that sweet type. It's like sour and sweet and chewy. So it's M&M. Now, not M&M, Skittles. Now this. Oh, it's Mogu. I told Riya I love that drink. So she got it for me. But the flavor... grape or strawberry? I think it's grape. Let's see. Yes, grape, guys, right. And Skittles. Yes, this was a hit round. So sweet of her. I told her I love these and I rarely get them, so she got this for me. Love you, Riya. Guys, round 3. Round 2 was a success. Huh? Eee, what is it? Wait, what is this? Yuck, should I put my hand in it? What? What is that? Ah, my napkin. I don't know where my napkin went. What is this? I don't know if I should have it. What is this? It's dripping. Oh no. It's jalapenos. Did she seriously do that to me? First I thought by feeling it, I thought it's olives. But it's obviously spicy, so it's jalapenos. What is this? Chocolate. With chocolate. The taste is so familiar. Snickers, no Twix, no Snickers. I think it's Snickers. Snickers and jalapenos. Guys, the camera fell, but I was right. Jalapenos and Snickers. Good choice, Riya, but bad choice for this. What is this? Why would you send me this in a dabba? Guys, round 4. In the last round, my camera fell, but I still managed it. My mom gave me the phone in my hand. Let's see what's next. The jalapenos were not that spicy though. They were eatable. It's a drink. milk, I have to get it right, guys. It's Cavin's vanilla flavor. I have to get milk right, otherwise. Oh, what is this? Oh, I've never had this. It's so weird. It's very fluffy. It's that Virat Kohli snack, that healthy one. I don't know the name. It's the Virat Kohli snack. Let's see if I'm right. Virat Kohli healthy snacks, guys. It's chocolate. And I said Cavin's, it's Hershey's. Shit. Now you all will come at me in the comments. You say you love milk and then you do these mistakes. It's fine. Milk is milk. And I guess it's not cold. That's why I couldn't get the exact taste. Otherwise I would know that it's the Hershey's chocolate milk. And I never have the chocolate milk. So that's why I didn't know. I don't know what round number this is. But next round. Let's see what. I want to eat something sweet now because I had that too young. But I don't know if this is.
Be careful.
Be careful. Oh. Huh? Why be careful? Eesh. Arey, this is that childhood snack. Oh no. You have to dip it. Arey, I can't dip it, but. Did I dip it? Yeah. This is that childhood snack. I don't know the name. That sticks which you have to dip in like the pink strawberry chocolate or vanilla thing. I can't tell the flavor. But it's that childhood snack. I hope you'll got me right. And this. What is this? Oh! Wow, it's so yum. This is again that childhood snack. I don't know. It reminds you of that. It gives you nostalgia when you have these things. Is it that Japanese or some Japanese snack which comes in pink packaging? Is it that with a teddy bear type face on the cover? Let's see. I'm so... Hello Panda, I forgot the name. And oh, this was... First I thought this is... You know, this same was there of these. I didn't know it's the Nutella one. Nice job, Riya. And I'm proud of myself because I didn't know the name yet I guessed this right. Japanese pink snack with packaging. Yay!
Be careful with that.
With this?
Yeah.
What is it? Eee! Oh no! Don't tell me this is that. I don't want to have it if it's that. It's that that thing that pops in your mouth. Yeah. It is that. Magic Pops. Yellow packet, if I'm not wrong. Oh god, can you all hear it? Weird. I never liked this snack. And what is this? This is another chocolate. Oh. It's like a packet inside a packet. Is it a chewing gum? Why would she give me a chewing gum? I have to open this. I hope there's no paper on it. What is this? It's like a chewing gum. It's chewy, but I don't think it is a chewing gum. Mentos, no. Is it center fruit? Dimag patti jai. It's Frutella. But it's like center fruit, so you get my point. And Magic Pops, oh, pink packet. But I dislike these. I don't know why, but out for these. Guys, now that the video is over, I saw this bag. Riya wrote me a note. Oh my god, I'm gonna read that. Hi Kanchu. I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy everything in this hamper. Eat little for me also. Of course, Ryu. YouTube awaits your greatness. How sweet. I love her, guys. Thank you so much, Riya, for sending me these snacks. And if you wouldn't send me, I don't know how I would do this video. Only with your help, and very good choice on sending the snacks. I loved everything except the jalapenos. Why did you send me those? I really don't get it. And that also in a dabba from your house. You send me jalapenos, but I don't mind it. And the magic box, because I dislike these. I don't know why, because the sound is very irritating. And other than that, I loved everything. I'm gonna have everything right now. Riya, if you won't come home and have this with me. Yes, so guys, these were all the snacks that she sent me. Wow, I'm very sad about this one though. Why didn't I guess this? This is milk and I didn't guess it right. This is very bad for me. I can't. This was a wrong answer. Then this. I knew what this was, but I just didn't know the name. Otherwise, my answer was right. This, I said Virat Kohli snack. I didn't know the name. Right. Moku Moku to my favorite. Guys, if you all don't know, I love Moku Moku and it's my favorite. Upset about these jalapenos. Like, she literally sent me like 4 pieces of jalapenos in this. And this, I said cheese flavor, right? But otherwise I said it's Cornitos. These are my favorite. I guessed these right. I can't believe I guessed these right. I didn't know the exact name, but I described it completely and guessed it right. And Skittles was also right, and this was wrong. But I knew what it was. Obviously, that's like. And the Snickers. Loved it. Had so much fun. I'm gonna have a sugar rush now after eating all of this. I need to finish all of this. And I'm not going to share it with anyone. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I didn't make you feel like you want to eat all of this, because in my fries video all of y'all were like, you made us order fries, So now I'm going to make you all order all these junk food snacks. So yeah, if you liked it, like this video, tell me in the comments what is your favorite snack out of all of these. My favorite snack out of all of these has to be Mogu Mogu and chips. If you all know, I love wafers or any sort of chips. So yeah. And let me know if you want me to do a part 2 with some other, like not some snacks, but maybe some milkshakes or something like that, because I love milk. And thank you so much, Riya, for sending me these items. And now I'm going to look at the video that Riya sent me. I don't even know what she said in that video. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'm trying to be active again on my channel. So